Hey guys, so today I have a video all about my newer ring light. So stay tuned to the rest of this video so you can see how the newer ring light looks with my lighting setting currently and by itself as well. So I'm going to show you different variations of how the lighting looks on its own or with other lights. Get a drink. We going to learn. Okay? Right now I currently have two umbrella lights here. It is daytime, but I closed the windows, and I will show you how my room looks like with just the natural light, with the blinds down, and then I'll show you with just the ring light. I mean just the two umbrella lights and then my ring light alone, and then all three of them together. And I actually have a very small backlight behind me, and it is just a regular desk lamp. So I'll show you all of that, but first, here is the ring light that I purchased. It is the 14-inch ring light, and I believe it's a 10-inch diameter on the inside, so 14 and then 10. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen here. But I believe I paid $60-something for it, which I was trying to find a very low price for the Neewer ring light, because usually when you just search it generally on its own, it would be around $99, and I ain't had $99. Okay, so I got the smaller version of it, because the one that's $99 is 18 inches, and this is the 14-inch one. I'm gonna quickly get to it. So when you open it, you get all of this stuff. Let me pull it out individually. You get two soft diffusers to put over the ring light, and this is how big the ring light is if you wanted to see from my face. Then you get the color filter, the orange one, and then you get some pieces to help utilize the ring light. So I think you put your camera on this if you're going to connect it directly to the ring light. I'm going to leave my camera on my tripod and then put the ring light right directly in front of it, just for easy application for right now. Purchase I made did not come with the accessories to like put a smartphone on it to use it for the ring light. With the ring light, this only came with the stuff to use for like a DSLR camera, any type of camera that has a screw on the bottom. And here is the ring light itself. And what's really cool about it, like I said, it's about my face size. It has a dimmer, so when you plug it in, you can turn it. That's how you turn it on, and this is how you change the dimness of it, if it's going to be bright or not. And lastly, of course, it comes with the stand to put it on. Be careful when you're shopping for these ring lights, because a lot of times these places are only selling it with the ring light and not the stand. So definitely look into the product description when you buy it, because you might see a really cheap price, but it's cheap because it doesn't come with a camera stand. So I'm going to put it together and I'll be right back. So here we are with the ring light. It is absolutely beautiful. It definitely brings out the features, and this is a really good light if you are doing beauty videos, makeup videos, anything that just needs extra light so you can see the details of things. So right now I have my two umbrella lights, and I'll put a link of the umbrella lights that I purchased, and then I have the ring light. No light is on in my room, but I do have my window right on this side, but the blinds are down, and then I have that backlight. So right now I'm using technically 5 sources of lights, even though my blinds are down, as it is the daytime, so light could still be pushing through the room. But if you don't want to count that, I do have like 4 artificial lights. So this is now no backlight, 2 umbrella lights, and the ring light. So that's all we have, 2 umbrella lights and the ring light. As you can see, the backlight, you might think it's irrelevant, but it can make a difference with just creating a 3D effect and separating the background from the camera. So it separates you from the background basically, and it helps just create a 3D dimensional effect, and it just kind of creates a gradient around you, so you're here but you're not here, you know what I'm saying, in terms of the background. As you can see, it is literally a desk lamp. It's literally a desk lamp, y'all, and it makes a red look to it because the outside casing is red. So this is what it looks like with me being lit on this end, the front end, but no backlight and no right side. So yeah, that's it with just 2 light sources. and I'm going to turn off the other umbrella light, and it's just going to strictly be the ring light. So here we are now with just the ring light and on the highest setting. So as you can see, if you really want to just invest in a ring light, you could do that. But of course, the umbrella lights kind of brings an all around light around your entire environment. So I still recommend getting other sources of light besides the ring light. But the ring light, if you are on a budget, the ring light is like a good light to start off with, because when I just use my umbrella lights, I still feel like I'm not getting all the details pointed out, especially when I do more makeup or wig videos or anything of that sort. I'm going to turn it down a little bit to the lowest setting so you can see what that looks like. So as you can see, I'm almost in the dark. This is the lowest setting, and it is still a healthy amount of light. And I feel like if I did this with my 2 umbrella lights, it would be like the perfect middle ground, because I wouldn't be too overexposed. But it really depends on the effect that you want for your video. So as you can see, you can't even see me. I'm John Cena at this point. You can't see me. So that just shows you how little effect that window was providing for this video, and I really just wanted to point that out. This is the backlight, this is the backlight and the left light, this is the backlight and the 2 umbrella lights, this is the umbrella lights, the backlight, and the lowest setting on the ring light, and here is the highest setting on the ring light, as we started off from the beginning of me reviewing the ring light. So if you have any questions regarding the newer light, my lighting setting, I'm definitely going to make more videos in terms of my tech reviews, because I do have some tech, and I did invest a good amount of money into all the equipment that I use. So come along with me, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks, and this is just the start of it all, and I hope that you enjoy this quick little review on the Neewer ring light 14 inches. And now, like I said, I'll put the link in the description down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because I will be making a video possibly every week, depending on nursing school. You know what's up. Stay blessed, peace and light, and I'll see you in the next one.